Battery voltage display. The portable electronic devices are growing more and more popular, and these devices are all run on batteries. With the batteries, overcharging and overdischarging are the common problems. In order to avoid overcharging and overdischarging of batteries, it is required to keep track of the charge level of the attached battery. A circuit used for such purpose is called battery level indicator. A battery level indicator gives the indication about the battery charging or discharging state. In this project we will learn how to measure the battery voltage using analog pins of Arduino. Here is the connection diagram of this project. 16x2 LCD display has two lines. Each line can display 16 characters. This display has 16 pins. First pin is ground, second is VCC, then contrast, RS, RW, enable, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, VCC, and ground. Pin 1 and 2 provide the supply for its internal circuitry, and pin 15 and 16 provides the supply for its backlight. We have connected pin number 1, 5, and 16 with the ground pin of Arduino, and pin number 2 and 15 with the 5-volt. Pin number 4 of LCD is connected to the pin number 12, and pin number 6 of LCD is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin 7, 8, 9, and 10 are not used. Pin 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display are connected to the pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino respectively. To measure the battery voltage, we have connected a red wire with pin A0 of Arduino. We have connected a black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Two resistors of 10 kilo ohm each are used to drop the input voltage. We can give maximum 5 volt as input voltage to any pin of Arduino. To avoid the damage of any pin, it is necessary to drop the input voltage below 5 volts. This is the code of our project. To control the LCD display, we will first include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line, #include liquid crystal.h. Now we will declare the name of the used pins in the sequence of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7. We have connected RS pin of LCD with pin number 12 of Arduino, D7 of LCD with pin number 2 of Arduino. ADC value is a float type variable. It will store the reading of voltage at pin number A0 of Arduino. Void setup is a function in which we have initialized the LCD. LCD.begin 16,2. It means we are using 16 columns and 2 rows of the LCD display. Void loop. This function will run over and over again, so whatever we write inside, it will repeat forever. Red wire is connected with pin A0 of Arduino. ADC value equal to analog read A0. It will read the value of sensor pin connected at A0 and store in the variable ADC value. ADC value equal to ADC value multiplied by 0.0083. This multiplication is done to calibrate the readings. LCD print ADC value. It will print the readings on the LCD display. LCD.print. This function will print the message written inside the brackets on the LCD screen. Delay 2000. This function will generate a 2 seconds of delay. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take 3 wires, 1 red and 2 black, We will use these wires later. Now we will solder a black wire at hole number 1 and red wire at hole number 2 of LCD display. Now we will solder a white wire at hole number 4 and brown wire at hole number 6 of LCD display. Now we will solder orange, yellow, green, and blue wires at pin number 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display. Now connect hole number 16 with hole number 1 using a black wire, and hole number 15 with hole number 2 of LCD display using a red wire. Now connect hole number 5 with hole number 1 of LCD display using a black wire. Now connect hole number 3 with hole number 1 of LCD display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor between pin A0 and ground of Arduino. To measure the voltage, we will use two leads, red and black. We will connect a black male wire with a black lead. Cover the joints with the insulation tape. Now we will connect a red male wire with the red lead through a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Cover the joints with the insulation tape. Connect the red wire with 5-volt pin and black wire with the ground pin. Now connect white, brown, orange, yellow, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 of Arduino respectively. Connect the red wire with pin A0 of Arduino. Connect the black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. We will measure the 3.3 volt supply using red wire. Now we will measure the 5 volt supply. Now we will measure the voltage of a discharged battery. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.